Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BambooHR for AI candidate outreach automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the BambooHR login page in your web browser. Enter your credentials to access your BambooHR account. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Scroll down to find the API section. Click on the API option to access your API keys and authorization settings. If you haven't already created an API key, click on the Create API Key button. A prompt will appear requesting a name for your new API key. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, such as AI Candidate Outreach. After naming your key, click the Save button. Once the API key is generated, copy the key to your clipboard. Next, open the AI Candidate Outreach Automation tool of your choice. Look for the section in the tool that requires BambooHR authorization. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to complete the authorization process. This may include confirming your connection and specifying data access permissions. Once successfully authorized, you should receive a confirmation notification. Return to your BambooHR account to ensure the integration is active. Monitor the integration for any synchronization issues. You are now ready to utilize AI Candidate Outreach automation with BambooHR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.